M&S's Smarter Working programme is about encouraging more collaboration between our 80,000 colleagues in our stores and distribution centres and their colleagues in head office. Recently we redeveloped all of our central portal technology to create M&S World, and that's now become our central point of communication.
There's a whole raft of things that we need to do as store manager teams, so whether that's visual merchandising, layout of grids, new product coming through, what the Microsoft suite has enabled us to do is coordinate that in an easy to navigate environment.
We've built all our site now to be 100% mobile, any device, anywhere, anytime, and we have delivered it on SharePoint Online. Our employees can now be on the sales floor with a customer, so mobility on the sales floor is fantastic for them. Another thing we've developed is the activity app. This will say what the activities, the deals that the store has to deliver. The store manager can then plan his staffing and ensure they've got the right staffing into the right area of the store. So the store manager is now with his staff discussing the store rather than having to sit backstage away from the staff and the customers.
The great feature about SharePoint that we've really exploited is we can tag our content and it just naturally drops into the right places. That way our navigation can stay cleaner and simpler because content can be in more than one place at the same time. We use Office 365 Video within our M&S World portals to publish out short little training videos to our stores. So our head office colleagues will explain the exciting features of a new product and our store staff can get it almost straight from the horse's mouth. Video is a much richer way of us communicating than giving people documents and has a much bigger overall impact.
With this launch, it has gone so easy, it's unbelievable. Stores are saying it's easy to use, documents are easy to find, it's quicker, and they're back on the sales floor quicker than they've ever been.
We're providing them the right platform to create greater efficiency across the whole of the business.